stopped at the rest area. Now we got like 12 more minutes to Tennessee. Alright, so when we come out, we'll walk under there and walk up just somewhere. AT goes. Oh, right there's the AT. Alright, so we made it to the parking. So I think that's the parking for like standing there. Now we just gotta wait on Nate. Customer gear Mariposa loaded down with everything, including my full bottle of electrolytes and extra snacks is about 25.2. So
to do that fairly quickly.
she's a lot tougher than most of us. All right, there goes Nate off on his CDT adventure. Now we're off on our little adventure. So here at Newfound Gap. So there's plenty of parking. Oh, I wonder if there's a view up here. Just use the bathroom. Now we're ready to start this climb. Yeah. But I like the blue color. My little $20 rain jacket from Walmart. Walmart. Appalachian Trail. Been here before, but never backpacking in this section anyway. Okay. Looks like they've added some steps. I know they were up here doing trail work last year when I was up here.
Just climb on them without having to lift my legs so much.
Yeah.
So maybe
No.
people did.
Go over the bank. Yeah.
Well,
Oh, I
around.
wonder if they're just trying to keep people from going
That's
that
what I'm
way.
thinking, going around the rock. Because see, that's going to erode real fast.
Yeah. So like, yes, you have to go up the big rock.
Yeah,
Don't go around the big rock, just go up it.
but it's probably past.
Oh, so cool.
We get wet. And I remember the last very close. I mean, some moves the right. You know, you're unstable. And plus, I think that's what you can have my car. I mean, she was ready to go. She was done. It took us a long place. It's so worth the money. Her name was Fixed a Great Dessert because we stopped to eat on the way. You know?
Well, and then we start speaking out. Yes.
It worked out. But Connecticut doesn't have any tolls. Yeah, so you know, it's a pretty comfortable trip.
That's true. I love trees.
At Sam's Club.
Yeah.
Saving a gallon.
Right. Right.
And I had it. Actually, I was having fun. Everybody take a bad fall.
No.
Look over here.
It's a.
He was getting all the I
Oh.
guess the 6-footers.
The twisted tree fell. I thought the tree used to be here.
That tree's been there for a while.
It's been there for ages.
Yeah. That tree's been there for a while.
It's probably, what do you say? It's probably about 60 degrees.
60?
Yeah.
Yeah, about that.
So it's been great so far. A
Little
humid.
humid. That's a lot. You can feel the dampness.
Well, you can kind of see it because we're kind of up in the tree in the clouds anyway.
Yeah, I hope it don't block our views. Gosh, just gotta bring different clothes, you know.
Mitchell.
with the group. It's a synthetic jacket. He wanted one that could handle, you know, both of our phones and stuff. So it's a lot heavier probably than I need. But right now with everything, I need to use it if I don't get the other one.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I thought, well, maybe I did that.
This is so pretty. Oh really? Well, it was like up at Pink Beds. There was just, it was like the whole forest floor was ferns.
And they were like all the moss on trees. They have the
Oh, like the maintainers and stuff.
Was our breaking ice water?
Oh, the Pro Bar.
That was at 5 o'clock, so we're gonna have to come down. And I know after school goes back in,
Yeah.
we're going.
Yeah.
And that's the problem. You can see the sun. It's on and it's off, you know, for however long you said it. These little rat things came and ate it. Even in
The bridge looked really cool.
it was, even in the wind and the rain, I thought, I'm gonna put it in the pictures.
Yeah.
For free. Oh, this is this.
Whatever.
I'm gonna enjoy my hike.
Hey, how are
Hey,
y'all?
good. How are you?
Good. I'm over here putting some warnings on a sign.
What's
Real
the
pretty overlook right here. I'm with the
Okay.
backcountry office. You guys backpacking?
Yeah.
You guys got your permits? Yeah.
Wow, what a view. He's doing his job, checking his permits.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome view.
They got a lot of them got blown off.
Yeah, with the storms and stuff.
Melting sand on like flat earth, and we're like, I was like, this sucks.
I know, yeah. I thought it was at home for us too. No, I want to do that for Glacier. I know there's like some ones you have to get permits for.
And I worked up in Angela.
Okay.
Put my best friend in front of me.
Break time, so I'm doing a Live Bar, blueberry, vanilla, kale. That should be interesting. I might eat Laurel Bar if I'm feeling super hungry. I got some bolt stuff.
I was like,
Nice little lunch spot. Now it's time to hit on down the trail.
Wow.
I almost like this view a little bit better.
Take a picture of this one. Probably you to go with. I'd have to hire somebody like to and there. It's so expensive.
Yeah,
It's a good view.
absolutely gorgeous.
I love this drop. That was a good break.
Yeah.
We needed that.
Yeah, that seed bar, the live bar blueberry kale thing was really good. It's not as good as the cherry lemongrass one, but
Yeah.
it was really good.
Lots of things to eat.
I was like, every time I've done this trail, it never takes as long to get out.
Right?
Because like we're already at the sign.
Yeah, I know.
Like we just left. But going, like you feel like you walk another like 20 minutes.
That was so true.
But maybe we'll see some better views down this way.
Wow.
So
Now
this,
that the sun's out.
yeah. So this is all new territory for me and Sharon. We haven't done this section of the AT between Charlies Bunion and Tricorner. So all new.
All new.
moss. Oh wow.
Oh wow, I want to get a picture. Assisted. Off the trail. Seemed to do well with that. I don't know where it is. Oh, I got somebody in New York had them. It's cool, but it's very humid. And that's why we're sweating. But when they built this thing, it's like 16 because then it locks me. She's asked something small, no yard. I said, just let me know. I was so mad. Yeah, basically you have to lose your life or treating it right away because
learn the love of slack packing.
And enjoy the fact that it's only have an AT white
Oh.
sign. I just threw some out there, and there were a lot more that I could have, but I just picked.
And nobody was checking, like.
They weren't checking, and it's not. So. I really wouldn't mind. Hikers do, so.
Yeah.
So I know when I've done it, if I have to prove it, so. I was excited that day, but actually it worked out the best that we did do it that day. Because I want to. We did it. But you know you have SOS on your phone.
Yeah.
It's the call for one thing.
Wow.
Well. Yeah. So we had to climb over those horses things. Well, I'm hoping they use AT or lose or, you know.
Yeah.
So out for long miles, long days, and need more food.
Yeah.
That's two back to back. I'm gonna have to redo that one. So.
Have you get a view? Another view. Oh, nice. Look to your right. Look to your.
Well, I will once I stop. Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't think they were searching.
I think I'm fixing to upgrade. I like all the different mosses. Like
I
there's
know all the
one.
different colors. I think it's because they're dying.
They're like, we need water. because the trail's been dry. The couple or three like crossings where you would probably get water have been dry. So hopefully we come across some water a bit. Just something to note. You know, if you do come up here and it's been dry, pack extra water. Because this is the driest I've seen this trail. Even though I've never done this particular section, like on this ridge and stuff, you know, I've done either end and I've never seen it this dry.
Let's go to Trail Days and celebrate.
Yeah.
If I can still move and just have something else. I think the John Muir loop.
Oh man.
Wow.
Oh Sharon.
Photograph speak for itself.
Oh,
Just keep it kind of neutral. Like, I don't want the frame to draw the attention. I want the photograph to draw the attention.
yeah. Oh man, I bet this is gonna be pretty.
I hated that storm
Came in.
Yeah.
Yep. Make the best out of it.
Really. I can complain, but
Ain't gonna do you any good.
no. You should hold me. She did. I don't know. She just wasn't. Wow. Just gets prettier, doesn't it?
Yeah. Every time I think, oh, I'm just gonna
I know.
record a little bit. Record, take a picture.
We gotta get out of here. It's 6:15. We only had like. Time restraint, and the biggest thing about them is they just don't have a lot of safe.
Alright. Now I'm breaking out the salty snacks.
What's that?
That's my salty snacks.
Oh. What are those?
So these are no cheese puffs.
Hmm.
So it's like tapioca starch, but they use like nutritional yeast to give it like the cheesy flavor. And then corn chips and turkey jerky.
Yay.
So yum. Nothing laying around. Got the trekking pole, so I don't have to backtrack. We're good to go. We got another 6.5 miles or so. Yeah.
If we're on it close, that's good.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Oh man.
Wow.
Oh, it opens up right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta get a picture. You gotta hold up. I gotta get a picture. I got all these pictures, but I don't care. Oh. What a.
Wow, what a view.
Is that cloud hanging down?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, was there an easier? Oh. Of course I would pick the harder way.
I'm not tall.
Wow.
Okay. Wow. All right. Wow. Wow, wow.
Absolutely gorgeous. We won't encounter you too much today. Right.
So now I'm up to 109. Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Yes, and why are you doing this? Because you're here. This must have been when, we did stream. I'm like, that is awful. Look at this. It's really.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the rain's just kind of like beside us, because you can hear it.
This is pretty.
Yeah. Wow, that looks like a big slide area. Oh, wow.
I'd have to, because I wouldn't want to rent 2 of them.
Right.
If it's scream and he'll go away.
Make all kinds of racket.
I always watch it last night. Apparently, I tried to wake up a couple times. The Wednesday hike out of Greenville.
A mud pit.
No, I'm not going to that. It's not moving.
I mean, it's not even dry. It's not even coming down over there.
No, I wouldn't trust that.
Man, this is not boding well. It's just mud.
It's mud.
No moving. No moving at all.
It's scary.
Not good.
Might be just eating my little rice, and that's fine. Just in the water.
Oh, so this must be, that must be the one that goes down to the shelter. That's where it goes down to Peck's Corners down that way. So yeah, it's almost a half mile down through there.
We don't even have ours listed.
Well, Awesome Mountain Trail, I think, is right there by Tricorner.
Oh. I have asked well, the problem is I have a backpacking trip, so none of the lights are on. The rain is closed and get wet. It's really pretty.
Hopefully there's water at the shelter.
I mean, I just remember it being a strong
thing.
A little strong, but
No.
I love that way before you guys.
All the ferns. Cute little bench. Just with the bench and stuff.
No, I didn't get the bench. I just took the...
Yeah.
But the view's pretty.
That's gorgeous. Especially with the clouds and everything. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, mercy.
Man. I think it's moving away from us. Seems like the birds and stuff know that too, because they started chipping again.
Yeah.
Because that for a little while, it was just dead quiet.
All the trees are down. Wow. Dogs or something. She goes, no, oh my gosh, there's a bear. Do I want to continue? And then I get close. I'm like, oh, that's so stupid. You're inside there. It's just a stomp. I said, I didn't want to see it. Trees over there. Yep, you can see it coming down.
Yep. I'm glad it clouded up though.
Yeah, I don't mind it cloudy.
Yeah.
Dr. Jamont's team, you know, I know them, and I usually can get like, because the last one I got was in December, you know, when we're training and doing 1 or 2 nights. And I thought,
Yeah.
this is new.
This looks freshly cut.
Mm-hmm. Look, see up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fresh. All these are freshly cut. I think things that are majorly from New York and the Connecticut's a pretty good breeze. Surprise.
I mean, I think it's gonna be 16. Man, look at that moss.
Oh, that is cool. Post-it notes. This is southbound. Bed fixed.
That's too.
Well, water first and then bed fixed.
Check out this tree.
Now that is cool. In the spring. And then Take care of my dog.
Well, that's a fresh one too.
Shit out of it. It's funny right now. It's not my wings.
That mouse is gonna fly.
It's gonna fly. Very loud.
Oh, that's a cool tree.
Huh?
It's a cool tree.
That's cool.
Oh, wow.
Guess I have to put the hat on. And put it on. I don't want to be around.
Yeah. I really hope that was the last uphill.
Me too.
And that, well, yeah.
I can't. Keep going so I'll be warm.
Okay. It's been gorgeous today. But there's been absolutely no water along the trail that we've seen. So keep that in mind. This is June 2022, so I mean, it's been kind of dry lately, so that kind of explains it, but it's definitely a lot drier than I thought it would be. But it's been absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that is but, yeah, it's just been gorgeous. Decent amount of elevation today, so enjoyed it. So we're about a half mile from camp, so I'll try to show y'all camp life if there's not a ton of people. I'll try to film as much as I can, like my setup and stuff. I'll probably stay in the shelter because I'm just too tired and lazy right now to set up my tent. So it's gorgeous. Oh, this is gorgeous, Sharon. Oh man, that's just so pretty. Yeah.
Cody on that. Just take something out of the crate, the ball
Yeah.
or the mat. It's not like heavy.
Yeah.
It's not bothering me. I've had it. My dad used to make them, but
There's,
it's raining hard.
don't look ahead. We're hungry, and there's one last climb. We are trying to muster every bit of strength left.
I know, right?
Ooh, we're feeling it.
Dig down deep.
We see the sun finally.
Oh, no, wait. Okay, that's...
Oh, nice hammock setup.
No, this is different from this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Into this water.
Person capacity, and we're at 9 already.
So yeah,
After causing that.
We did.
Beautiful sunset. And the water source is definitely less than what it was before when we was here before. But there's enough to get water. Yeah. And then the pretties over there and all the bear table stuff's over there. And this is the shelter. Cook some dinner. Alright. So got my sour jellies, cocomel, and unstuffed pepper. Did you use it on our last trip?
Newfound. I think we saw you guys. Are y'all? You took a group out? No. What you? You eating your dessert?
I always eat dessert first.
Okay.
Oh, backwards, you know.
Yeah. I don't know. I just for some reason I like that better.
So y'all been coming up a lot?
I brought my tent, but you know, I was like, nah,
Nowadays,
I'm
it's
feeling
just
lazy.
hard. It's like, man, I'm gonna not do my tent.
Breaking into the unstuffed pepper.
So,
Well, I really don't trust these boards. Preparing to hang the bear bag. It was a great day. Now I just need to find a place for the bear bag. So there is that pretty. Very nice. Alright.
I hit the drugs.